to change inverted camera on iPhone, let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to open settings of your phone. Then you want to scroll down and you want to tap on camera. Now you enter the screen of the camera settings. To change inverted camera on iPhone, you want to turn on or turn off mirror front photos. To turn it off or turn it on, you just want to go ahead and tap on it. When you turn on mirror front photos, you will be able to invert the camera on iPhone. Let's check it out on the camera. Now you want to go ahead and open camera on your phone. Now go ahead and click a photo and look into the gallery. You can see that the picture is not inverted. And when I go ahead and turn it off and go back to camera again to check, you can see here the picture has been inverted, and that is how you can change inverted camera on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.